Well, good morning. 67 degrees yesterday, 19 degrees this morning. It is currently 20 degrees in the cold side of my shop. The side that's not quite finished yet. So, cold start. It has been 3-4 months since I started this car. So, battery tender's been on it. Let's see if it did its job. Yeah, I'm assuming it's cold and there's some moisture in it. Still got a vibration on my transmission because of the transmission cross member I had to make to clear the exhaust. I need a better rubber bushing in there. Picking some vibration up on the body from it. So, yeah. Battery tender did its job. Good full battery. No sense of pumping the carburetor right off the bat. The bowl was probably evaporated and empty by now. So once you got gas, I give her 2 pumps. Away she goes. So I'm gonna let her run for a minute. And all that moisture in my exhaust. So okay, good. Got a full start on her. Maybe next year. A lot of work to pull on this. It wouldn't be a cold start on that because I just had that running 2 days ago. Yeah. Good to hear the old car run. I wanted to start it yesterday when it was nice out. Didn't get a chance. So let that run for a minute. Carrying about 60 pounds of oil pressure. We got the sander truck in. Gonna pull the brakes and grease the slides on the brakes. So you have to do it on these Fords a couple times a year because they brake slides start setting up, and then it gives you uneven braking and stuff. That's just probably the worst downfall of these trucks at all are the slides on the brakes. So, how about some Yeller? We're gonna get this cleaned up this week. I fixed some lighting. Some lighting here that was poor. I put some new lighting on both sides. If you remember on one of the videos, the muffler used to sit on top here. And yes, another Exo Rust paint job coming up. So that's where it used to sit. It used to sit across like this, and to be honest with you, we didn't like it. There was some exhaust leaks and everything. The funny part about it, when I took the when I took everything apart on that, the manifold was loose, so I had to tighten the manifold up. I haven't run it since. So we added a little, put the exhaust pipe in the upright position and added a water flap, vapor flap. So hopefully sometime this week we'll get to that. This afternoon I'm going to be making the bracket for the back for the tank. That's for the water. It's a 35-gallon tank we picked up, and that'll be just to dampen the parking lots when you sweep them. So it cuts down on the dust. We aren't trying to flood the parking lot. We're just trying to put a mist on top of the dirt. So warming right up. A little more wood in there. Just throwing some heat. The fan's on. We'll cut her back a little bit. So hopefully that'll be different. We got to tape it out. We're not putting new stickers on it. We will add some of our own writing on it. I got the four-way flasher. The signal light's working. It was a bad switch. So hopefully this week or so this will be all nicely painted, and I'll shoot a video of that. We've already got some jobs lined up. People are calling for this, not this particular unit, but just for us to sweep parking lots. So we'll be using this, and we do have the sweeper. I'm not sure if I ever shot a video of that on the compact tractor on the rear. We also have a walk behind sweeper. So we have 3 ways of sweeping in and around buildings and parking lots, and we'll bring you some more videos. Hopefully get that little 92 in here sometime this coming week, and get the cab mounts done in it so I can finish it up so I can send it out for inspection. Okay, have a good day. Thanks for watching and subscribing.